Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out in Hong Kong at night time in this beautiful city with the 35-150 f2 to f2.8 from Tamron and the Sony a7R5. So I'm just getting a shot from up here at 150mm. I'm going to wait for the crowd to stop. You can see a shot that I just got, which is on the screen. I was at 80th of a second, f2.8, ISO 125. So at 150mm, there's a taxi just down there. I'm going to tap to focus on the taxi, and then I'm going to use the people in the foreground as a bit of like 150mm at f2.8 is actually pretty sick. I'm thinking if I go to like f10, I'm going to put it to my eye to get this shot. It's quite hard because I'm actually balancing on a pillar at the same time. Maybe I can get like a panning shot of some people, maybe this lady's crossing. Ooh, that was pretty sick. Alright, that's nice. I like that. That was cool. Dude crossing. I'm going to get some more of those shots as we go around the city tonight because I think it's really cool and creative. I was at 3rd of a second, f10, ISO 125. Okay, see if we can get this Porsche. Actually looks sick. Gonna get down low, might come back a bit. It's actually really nice. Oh, it's hectic because there's so many people. Trying not to get run over. Oh, okay, that looks sick. Okay, sick. We're gonna move on, get some street shots. Goodbye to the GT3 RS one day. Maybe this dude in front of the neon. Oh, I'll tell you what, this 35-150 is such a good lens, and this street is just full of neon lights. Okay, maybe one of the taxi. That was quite nice. I was actually here in a different video recently, but tonight I'm out with a 35-150. So it'd be cool to get some more frames around here. Maybe the ETRS with the neon lights behind it. Looks really nice. And a Bentley as well. Oh my god, I'm just gonna sit on this road. It's sick. It's just nice car after nice car. And because this lens is f2, it actually goes really well as a kind of like a portrait lens. Maserati behind it. So I think on the other side of the road. I'm at 100th of a second, f2.2, ISO 250. Gonna get one in portrait and I'm gonna get one in landscape as well because it's important to get both. But we're going to go 35mm for this one. Okay, so the frame I'm looking at is I want someone to kind of walk across the road here in front of me. We've got potentially two people doing it now. Which I think worked out pretty good. No, I didn't pull focus quick enough, but it kind of works once I put the edit on it. Framing up this, I've got the neon lights kind of either side of the shot. There's a taxi. I mean, we've got a row of taxis, so if the silver car goes forward, it should look like a good shot. Okay, he's moving. Oh, that was quite nice. The taxi turned, which was good. Quite a cool shot. Okay, dude going across the frame. Ooh, that actually worked pretty good. Taxi. Okay, so I'm going to put it up to my eye to get this shot. I'm at 150mm. Just focusing on the person on the other side of the road. So 3 dudes sitting on a wall. So I'm just waiting for someone to walk through the frame. Got a bit of room, so I'm going to go 150. Going down the street, dude walking down. I'm going to wait here for just a minute because there's a shot that I want to get with a taxi going through the frame, and I kind of want to get like a panning shot of it. So we'll go 30 for a second, ISO 640. Before I move on from this area, there's this guy just in front of me here, just on his phone. Need to change it back off into single shooting mode. So if I kind of step a little bit, we'll get more of the neons in there. We'll get one at 35 as well. Alright, sweet. Let's move on. See where we can get to, see what we can see. Guess the people walking across the street. I'm going to put it up to my eye to get the frame. Got these 2 people going in front of the taxi. Honestly, it's so good being in like a fresh city where there's like literally hundreds of different frames. Like here, it's just, there's so many natural frames going on. It's one of those locations where it's like hard to take a bad photo. So I think once these 2 get down to the, like towards the end of this tunnel, it should look pretty good. Once they go into that light. Sometimes when I go out, I feel almost pressured to find certain frames, especially when I go to a new city like this. I feel almost pressured to only take the best of the best photos, only go to the best spots and find the banger frames that everybody else takes, or people that have been here for a long time. Whereas for me personally, I just really enjoy going out and just shooting the city just during the day, during the night, whenever, and just as it is, just seeing the people that live there and seeing the different lifestyle, capturing that in the best way I can, and enjoying the process at the same time. It can be quite overwhelming, especially if you're only there for like a week or 2 weeks. You might feel pressured to get, photos, that people have got for years, because people, you look at people that maybe live here, or you look at content of people that are from here or have lived here, and you compare your content to their content, and you feel like maybe it's not good enough. Well, actually, you need to give yourself a little bit of, appreciation that you're only here for a short amount of time. You're not here for 5 months or a year or however long it might be. You're only here for 2 weeks, and it's not a long time, especially when you're going out all the time. You can go out like I am and get some really cool shots, but you have to give yourself the appreciation that you're here for a short amount of time in comparison to some people. One of the other key things I'll say is whenever you're walking along one of the main streets, so just down there is one of the main streets of Hong Kong, and then to the left you have another main street. But if you just turn around and you go down this type of alleyway, which, okay, does look a little bit spooky, but I promise you'll find stuff. Not every time, but you will find stuff that you're trying to shoot, different frames. Not everyone comes down these alleyways. Like here, we've got a nice silhouette shot. So if I get the settings beforehand, bam, nice silhouette shot. Moving further down this way, I think I could walk through down here. Maybe we could find a nice frame or 2. Hi. So I've seen the seats, yeah, there we go, look at that, bam. So if I can get my settings all nice, yes, okay, we are surrounded by trash, but that's fine, you know, as long as we get the photo, which I think that's one person. I think maybe we can get one more person. We're going to go to 250 per second, ISO 640. Just wait for somebody to walk through that frame. There we go, this dude. Bosh. Is he in focus? Yep, there we go. Okay, so we've got people crossing in front of this pretty cool street here. Well, it's not that cool, but might be able to get something. Somebody walking in front here. Actually a nice frame. 80 per second, f2.5, ISO 640. And if I hang fire here for a second, I should be able to get people crossing in front of this taxi here as well. If I'm quick, I'm going to set focus to the taxi. So that people and things walking in front of the frame are out of focus and the taxi is in focus. And we'll get one last one. Okay, sweet.